This instructional video will guide you through the installation of the DEWALT Visor onto the DEWALT DPG22 Type 2 safety helmet. Ensuring proper installation is crucial for your safety. Your DEWALT DPG22 Visor packaging should include one visor, two P-shaped supports marked L1 and R1, two connectors marked L2 and R2, two visor clips marked L3 and R3, and two screws. Additionally, ensure you have your DPG22 Type 2 safety helmet and a Phillips head screwdriver ready. A smaller handle is preferable for ease of use. Pro tip: once you've confirmed you have all the components and tools, unclip the two front suspension clips. This is not a requirement, but it makes the visor installation easier. Step 1. Unpack the visor attachment pieces. Identify the wearer's left and right sides of the safety helmet as worn. Step 2. Insert the visor clip into the hole on the visor, ensuring it is facing inward until it is flush. Then set this aside momentarily. Step 3. Insert P-shaped support into the forward channel on the inside of the helmet. Align the holes in the helmet. Step 4 requires aligning the pin on the connector with the channel on the visor clip's interior and interlocking them. Step 5. Align visor to the outer connector. Tighten interior screws securely. Pro tip: make sure your chin strap is inside the helmet when installing the visor. If the strap is outside of the shell, it can get caught in the lens and the lens will need to be removed and reinstalled. Step 6. Tighten the previously inserted screw securely. Step 7. Repeat steps 2 through 6 on the opposite side. When properly installed, visor should flip up and down with ease and should remain in the upright position without falling. If falling occurs, simply tighten the screw. Pro tips: applying each step left and right in sequence will allow easier application. If you prefer to do left then right, that's okay too. For visor removal, simply reverse the installation steps. Your DEWALT visor is now correctly installed on your DEWALT DPG22 Type 2 safety helmet.